how to make money on Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make money on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Making money on Binance simply means trading for profit. Trading means today, let's say you can see the value of Bitcoin has decreased by minus 1.8%. So tomorrow, if I actually sell this, because today I buy for a low price, tomorrow the value increases and then I sell it, I make money with the profit earned. So I can do this by simply tapping on this option, tapping on the buy option, choosing to buy a certain amount of crypto. Let's say for $100 worth of crypto I want to buy. Then once I've done that, tomorrow if the value increases, there's a certain amount of profit or a certain percentage of profit. Then I can tap on the same option, then choose to sell it for a certain amount of profit over here, and then just make sure that the remaining earned is actually a profit earned. So that is how you make money on Binance. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.